is going to be the best Christmas ever. I'm already making over $30,000 every single week. My kids are sure going to be getting some awesome presents this year. Thank you so much.
Sam, I cannot tell you how thankful I am, man. I mean, I'm making an average $31,624 a week using the 7-day profit machine. I mean, it's literally changed my life. 2015 is going to be the best year ever, and it's all thanks to you.
Sam, I've been using the 7-day profit machine for over a month now, and I've already made over $130,000. I really didn't think this could happen to me, but you've proved me wrong. Now the kids are really, really excited for Christmas this year, and it's all because of you.